Specialised Canvas is the UK's trusted supplier for bespoke and contract sewing solutions, delivering a first-class service to domestic and commercial customers for more than 40 years. Whatever your needs or requirements, we are sure to provide you with first-class support and service, combining decades of experience with state-of-the-art machinery to create your perfect sewing solution. Each year, our talented team of designers, technicians and seamstresses create thousands of made-to-order products for commercial and domestic customers across the UK. Whether you're seeking a one-off piece or larger volume production, everything we create is designed and manufactured to your exact specifications from our 24,000 square feet production facility in Chesterfield. From your initial inquiry to the final stages of quality control, you can be sure our team will provide a helpful and personal service at every stage of your project. Join hundreds of organisations, from armed forces and emergency services to leisure and retail businesses, and choose Specialised Canvas for your next project.